Hi class. This is going to be my first video here to try to prepare you for test 4. And let me see if I can get the lighting to work. Let me turn on this overhead light here. Hold on. Let's see if that's a little bit better. Can you see my calculator here? I hope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do another quadratic regression. You will have to do one of these on your test. Okay. So let me show you how to do this. So suppose we want to do a quadratic regression. So again, how do I do that? I click on the Stat key, and then I go to Edit, and then I want to go up to the top here and press Clear. Okay, and then Enter to clear out all that data, and then go over here to L1 and press Clear, and then Enter. Okay, to clear out all that data. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just clearing my cache. So now let's look at this example here. Okay, the data, I'm not going to show you the data because all I can do is just show you the screen. I hope you can see this okay. Let me try to zoom up just a little bit. There we go. So I hope that's that's not really, there you go. That's pretty clear. So let me see if I can hold it right here and get it to work. So let me type in the data. So we got 5, enter, 7, enter, 9, enter, 11, whoops, not 77, 11, enter, 13, enter, 15, enter, 17, enter, 19, 21, and 23. So those are my X values. So now let me put in some Y values here. Okay. So go back to the top and then go over here to L2. And now let me put in some values. Okay. So we've got negative 17. Okay. And you see what happened there? It said error. So let me show you what happened here. I made a mistake here. Okay. So let me go to edit again. Okay. Now, anytime you want to enter negative values, what you have to do is you have to use the change sign key. And the change sign key, okay, is right down here. Okay. So whatever you do, do not hit negative. Put in the change sign key. So let me try this again. So let's do 17. And then actually, I think it's going to be change sign first. Yes. And then 17 and enter. Okay. And you see that worked. And then change sign key 16 and enter. Okay. And then change sign key 20 and enter. And then change sign key 22 and enter. And then change sign key 17.4 and enter. Okay, it didn't like that. I must have hit it again. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, it looks like I hit it again. So we're right back down to here. Okay, so let's try this again. Change sign key 17 point, whoops, 0.4 and enter. Okay. And let's see, let's keep going here. Change sign 15 and enter. And then change sign 14 and enter. And then change sign 10 and enter. And then change sign 8 and enter. Well, I made a mistake. Did it again. Doggone it. So let's go on down here. So we're now at 21. So let's do change sign 8 and enter. And then finally, change sign 2 and enter. Okay. So this is all my data right here. Okay. So all the data is in there. Everything looks fine. Okay. So again, remember that if you put in negative values, make sure to use the change sign button right here. Okay. To make it negative. Okay. So now let's go ahead and run the regression. So go to Stat and then over to Calculate and then go down to where it says Quadratic Regression. Hit Enter and Enter again. And here is my quadratic regression. Okay. You can see that ax squared plus bx plus c, a is 0.1, b is minus 1.989, and c is minus 9.1942. And you can see that the r squared value is 0.937, which means this is a pretty good model. Not great, but not bad. So it's a pretty good model. Okay. So on the test, if you're asked to do a linear regression, or excuse me, a quadratic regression, this would be how you would do that. Okay. So I hope this additional example is of use to you. Thank you.